Good morning. I am off to Trader Joe's. Do I want to be out this early in the morning to go to Trader Joe's? No. But I'm trying my best to optimize my time, and since America sucks, I'm only got 2 freaking free days for the freaking weekend after working so damn hard all week. I have to do what I gotta do. And that means getting up early to go to Trader Joe's, get some groceries. I'm gonna come back home, clean out the fridge, and then I need to go to the gym. It's the boy's birthday weekend, so I can't make him do anything. Like, that would be rude. But I am technically on duty for work, so I'm gonna try my best to like do what I gotta do for work, tidy up the apartment, put away laundry, get my life together, and like prep for the week ahead. Oh shit, is it gonna rain? I didn't bring an umbrella. Okay, so anyways, let's get this done. I typically only share the new things that I've gotten that are new to me, like meaning I've never tried it before. The first thing is the multi-purpose cleaner, cedarwood and sage, plant-based. Here, honey, you can put that down under the sink. I'm typically not a tuna person. I have to crave tuna, and because my taste buds are always so janky, like there'll be days I'm fine with something, the next day I'm not. Like lately it's been chicken, which is annoying, but I'm trying to have more options for protein. So I got these. This is the solid white tuna, and it's half salt, I think it said, or some shit like that. So that's new. I think that's like the only new stuff. Everything else I've gotten before. So I'm gonna put everything away to help us during the week. Like something that I used to do and I need to like get back to it is take all the veggies, like the peppers, the red onions, and chop them up and have them ready to go. I think having your food prepped in that way will make things a lot easier, especially because I keep buying freaking cucumbers and then eat like half of it and then it goes bad. Got lots of frozen mangoes because we love making smoothies. Got falafel. This with some white rice. Bomb. The boy is watching an old Western. Actually, I don't know if it's an old Western, but he's watching something that's very loud. And I think Charles Heston is in it. Whatever. Anyways, I am finally going to just head to the gym. It's almost 12. I cleaned the fridge. I vacuumed the kitchen. The only thing I have to do, and I'm going to do it tomorrow, is just clean off the kitchen table and mop the floor. But I'm just gonna go for a super quick workout and then come back home so that I can take care of my other things that I wanted to do. He bought tickets for, what is it? I don't know, some scary movie. Freaking 10:45. I'm like, bro, that's our night plans. I have made it to the eclipse viewing. The park is completely full. I wish I could like record it, but I mean, we all know what it's gonna look like. So I got my glasses ready. I have my work laptop here because I still gotta keep working. You want me to look through those? Okay.
I won't do anything here.
Oh, wait. Oh my god. Are you freaking kidding me? Honey, we should have gotten like something like a camera so you could take pictures of it. It looks so cool with the binoculars.
It's my room. I'm gonna leave that.
I need to see so I can put these over my glasses. I'm trying to get out of here, but I wanted to do a quick unboxing. I got I only got 2 things from Blush Bliss. I've purchased jewelry from them before, and I love the quality of their pieces. So I just got a necklace I had my eyes on for a while. It is a self-love necklace. Oh, it's so cute and small. It says more self-love. That's super cute. It's smaller than I thought, the pendant, but that's okay. And then the main thing that I wanted were, oops, one fell off already, these earrings. There's some chunky hoops right here. I wanted something that was suitable for every day because I didn't have anything. The 2 that I had, I broke one, the other one broke in travel when we went to DC, and then everything else is just not suitable for like every day. I really like these. They don't feel too heavy. Hey friends, I wanted to unbox my new I Buy Direct glasses with y'all, but first, quick little like eye care update. So these are from the Eye Doctor. It's a brand that I've never heard of before. Cutler and Cross of London. It's new to me. These are pretty heavy for glasses, but I love them. The frames are super thick. I just need to go get this side a little bit tightened and maybe like fix the arms a little bit because they do slide down quite a bit, but I love these. So I always like to have an alternative pair just in case, and so my go-to is I Buy Direct. Not sponsored, I just really like them, and I've gotten a lot of my like backup pairs there. I always wanted a pair of clear frames, so I found these. I don't remember the name of them, but these are actually transitions, and I got the size based on the sizes of all of my other glasses and like my own size. This was off by like not even like by not much, honestly, like not even a full millimeter or whatever the freaking sizing is. So I didn't think it would be exceptionally tight, and it was, and they still are. So the first few times I wore these, it was so tight that I always have a little mark here from my glasses just naturally, but it was so bad that it literally cut my skin and I was bleeding. So they've loosened up, but they're still just a little too fitted for every day. These are great for when I'm going to the gym and I'm jogging or I'm going outside. Again, they're transitions, so they're just way too tight for me. By the way, I am gonna get my nails done today. Way too tight. So I always wanted a pair of aviators, so that's exactly what I got, and I'm hoping that these fit me perfect so I can finally have like another pair that I can wear and alternate with these that aren't gonna like freaking cut my face. So figured we would open this bad boy up together. I ordered from them quite a bit. I have like these points and codes and things like that. So these were pretty cheap. They were like $89, I think. I was tempted to add transitions to them, but because my prescription is so much stronger now and the lenses alone are just way too much money, so I was like, I'm not doing that. So I picked out a nice yellow hard case because I love yellow. Praying to God that these fit me. The style of these, they're metal, and other than the fact that they're aviators, but they are similar to like the St. Mitchell's that I have, which fits so well because they have like the nose pads. These are them. I don't remember the name of these, but I'll put them on the screen. I got these in a size medium, so I hope they fit. What do you guys think? I like how they fit. Oh my gosh, look at me. I finally have aviators. I like the size of these. As much as I like these, a part of me was like, do I return them and get the medium? Because these are small, and I couldn't tell the difference. And there was a review. Someone got the small. She also got the medium because she was also torn, and she ended up liking the medium more. And then I was like, shit, should I do that? But I was scared that it would be too big for me. So I got the small, but I always felt that these were just a little bit too small for my face, and maybe I needed something a little bit bigger, or maybe it's just me and my eyes and like what I'm used to that I think I need something bigger. But the size of these for me are like perfect. So anyways, that's all I got for you for today. Just filmed the self-tape, and now I have to stress out by looking at all of the clips and deciding which one I'm gonna submit and edit together. So hardest part of the job is making selections. I don't care what anyone says. Take my camera off here. Turn it off. Okay. I feel like every time I pick up the camera, it's like a Thursday, and it is a very gloomy, rainy day. That's per usual, but I got home at a decent time so I could film this. And it's oh my God, it's 7:47 already? Damn. Where does the time go? I feel like I don't even get a chance to like actually relax, you know, after work and decompress because there's always something. Whatever, I am going to review my clips, edit them, and submit them. I just submitted my audition, and what time is it now? Thank God the clips were short, but I had to upload everything individually versus in one file.